Hello children, let us solve few more JEE questions. First question, if sine theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, then 16 times sine 2 theta plus cos 4 theta plus sine 6 theta is equal to. These are the options given. This question appeared in JEE Mains 2021. We have to get the value of this expression. That means we have to get the value of sine 2 theta, cos 4 theta and sine 6 theta. The value of sine 2 theta we can get from here. So square both the sides of this equation. Sine theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to 1 by 2 square. This can be expanded as sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 1 by 4. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 and 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. So the value of sine 2 theta is equal to minus 3 by 4. This is first equation. Next, we have to get the value of cos 4 theta. So cos 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square 2 theta. Value of sine 2 theta we can put from here. So cos 4 theta comes out to be equal to minus 1 by 8. This is second equation. Next, we have to get the value of sine 6 theta. Sine 6 theta can be written as sine 3 times of 2 theta. Let's say alpha is equal to 2 theta. So sine 3 alpha is equal to 3 sine alpha minus 4 sine cube alpha. Value of sine 2 theta we can put from here. So sine 6 theta comes out to be equal to minus 9 by 16. Now we can get the value of this expression by putting the value of sine 2 theta from here, cos 4 theta from here and sine 6 theta from here. So value of the expression comes out to be equal to minus 23. So the correct option is option C. Second question, the number of solutions of the equation 32 to power tan square x plus 32 to power sec square x is equal to 81 when x lies between 0 to pi by 4 is. These are the options given. This question appeared in JEE Mains 2021. The given equation is 32 to power tan square x plus 32 to power sec square x is equal to 81. We can write sec square x as 1 plus tan square x. Now we can split 32 to power 1 plus tan square x as 32 to power 1 into 32 to power tan square x. Now assume 32 to power tan square x is equal to t. So this equation becomes t plus 32t minus 81 is equal to 0 or 33t is equal to 81 or t is equal to 81 by 33 or t is equal to 27 by 11. It means 32 to power tan square x is equal to 27 by 11. We can write 32 as 2 to power 5. So it becomes 2 to power 5 to power tan square x is equal to 27 by 11. Powers can be multiplied. So 2 to power 5 tan square x is equal to 27 by 11. Now take log on both the sides at base 2. So it becomes 5 tan square x log 2 base 2 is equal to log 27 by 11 to the base 2. Value of log 2 base 2 is equal to 1 and value of 27 by 11 is approximately 2.46. So it becomes 5 tan square x is equal to log 2.46 to the base 2 or tan square x is equal to 1 by 5 log 2.46 to the base 2 or tan x is equal to plus minus under root 1 by 5 log 2.46 to the base 2. Now, tan x cannot be negative in the given interval when x lies between 0 to pi by 4, that is in first quadrant. So, tan x will be positive. So, there is only one solution in this case. So, number of solutions of the given equation will be 1. Third question, if for x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, log sin x to the base 10 plus log cos x to the base 10 is equal to minus 1 and log sin x plus cos x to the base 10 is equal to 1 by 2 times log n to the base 10 minus 1. N is greater than 0. Then the value of n is equal to. These are the options given. This question appeared in JEE Mains 2021. First equation is given as log sin x to the base 10 plus log cos x to the base 10 is equal to -1. We know that log m to the base a plus log n to the base a is equal to log mn to the base a. So it becomes log sin x into cos x to the base 10 is equal to -1. This can be written as sin x into cos x is equal to 10 to power -1. 10 to power -1 is equal to 1 by 10. So sin x cos x is equal to 1 by 10. This is our first equation. Second equation is given as log sin x plus cos x to the base 10 is equal to 1 by 2 times log n to the base 10 minus 1. Now objective here is to make the bases same on the both sides so that we can compare the expressions. Bring 2 on this side. So it becomes 2 log sin x plus cos x to the base 10 is equal to log n to the base 10 minus 1 can be written as log 10 to the base 10. 2 can be shifted here as power. So it becomes log sin x plus cos x whole square to the base 10 is equal to. Now log m to the base a minus log n to the base a is equal to log m by n to the base a. So it is log n by 10 to the base 10. Now bases are same on both the sides. So we can compare expressions. So sin x plus cos x whole square is equal to n by 10. This can be expanded as sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x, and that is equal to n by 10. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, and value of sin x cos x can be put from here. So n comes out to be equal to 12. So the correct option is option B. Fourth question, if x and y lie between 0 and pi and cos x plus cos y minus cos x plus y is equal to 3 by 2, then sin x plus cos y is equal to. These are the options given. This question appeared in JEE Mains 2021. The given equation is cos x plus cos y minus cos x plus y is equal to 3 by 2. Cos x plus cos y can be written as 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. And cos x plus y can be written as 2 cos square x plus y by 2 minus 1. So it becomes a quadratic equation in cos x plus y by 2. Now put cos x plus y by 2 is equal to t. So the equation becomes 2t square minus 2t into cos x minus y by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Now compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2 cos x minus y by 2 and c is equal to 1 by 2. Now the discriminant b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. Putting the values of a, b and c, it comes out to be cos square x minus y by 2 is greater than or equal to 1. Value of cos cannot be greater than 1. So it has to be equal to 1. So cos square x minus y by 2 is equal to 1. 1 is the value of cos 0. So x minus y by 2 is equal to 0, or x is equal to y. Put this value in this equation. So this equation becomes now cos x plus cos x minus cos x plus x is equal to 3 by 2. Or 2 cos x minus cos 2x is equal to 3 by 2. Cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1. So it reduces to 4 cos square x minus 4 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is whole square of 2 cos x minus 1. So 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0, or cos x is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the value of cos 60 degrees in 0 to pi. So x is equal to pi by 3. Now x is equal to y and x is equal to pi by 3. So y is also pi by 3. So sin x plus cos y is equal to sin pi by 3 plus cos pi by 3. Value of sin pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2 and value of cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. So the answer is root 3 plus 1 by 2. Option B is correct. Fifth question, let S be the set of all theta where theta lies between minus 2 pi to 2 pi such that 2 cos square theta plus 3 sin theta is equal to 0. Then the sum of the elements of S is. These are the options given. This question appeared in JEE Mains 2019. The given equation is 2 cos square theta plus 3 sin theta is equal to 0. Cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. So this becomes a quadratic equation in sin theta, and the equation is 2 sin square theta minus 3 sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0, which can be factorized as 2 sin theta plus 1 into sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. That means either 2 sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0 or sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. So we will consider two cases. Case 1, when 2 sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0 or sin theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. We know that sin theta is negative in third and fourth quadrants. We will split this interval minus 2 pi to 2 pi into two subintervals, minus 2 pi to 0 and 0 to 2 pi. In interval minus 2 pi to 0, angles will be negative. Angles are negative when they are measured clockwise starting from 0. So in this interval, angles will be minus 150 degree and minus 30 degree, which satisfy this criteria. Similarly, in interval 0 to 2 pi, angles will be plus 210 degree and plus 330 degrees. Angles are positive when they are measured anti-clockwise starting from 0. Case 2, when sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. So sin theta is equal to 2, which is not possible because we know the maximum value of sin theta is equal to 1. So no solution in this case. So finally, sum of the elements of S will be sum of these four angles, which is equal to 360 degrees or 2 pi. So the answer is 2 pi. Option C is correct. Sixth question, the number of solutions of the equation x plus 2 tan x is equal to pi by 2 in the interval 0 to 2 pi is. These are the options given. This question appeared in JEE Mains 2021. The given equation is x plus 2 tan x is equal to pi by 2, or 2 tan x is equal to minus x plus pi by 2, or tan x is equal to minus 1 by 2x plus pi by 4. This cannot be simplified further using any trigonometric formula. So we need to find a way to move ahead. Let us say y is equal to tan x is equal to minus 1 by 2x plus pi by 4. Y is equal to minus x by 2 plus pi by 4 is the equation of a straight line which is in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is its slope and c is its y-intercept. M is equal to minus 1 by 2 and c is equal to pi by 4. Negative slope suggests that this line makes an angle more than 90 degrees with the positive x-axis. So PQ is that line which is making more than 90 degrees with the positive x-axis and its y-intercept is pi by 4. Y is equal to tan x is this curve. So solution of this equation will be points of intersection of these two curves. So points of intersection between x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 pi in the given interval are marked by points A, B and C. So there will be three solutions. So the correct option is option A. Seventh question, the number of solutions of sin to power 7x plus cos to power 7x is equal to 1. X lies between 0 to 4 pi is equal to. These are the options given. This question appeared in JEE Mains 2021. The given equation is sin to power 7x plus cos to power 7x is equal to 1. We know that maximum value of sin x or cos x is equal to 1. We also know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. If it is sin cube x plus cos cube x, it will be less than 1. For example, let's say sin x is equal to 1 by 2. So sin square x is equal to 1 by 4 and sin cube x is equal to 1 by 8. That means when power is increasing, its value is decreasing. So applying the same logic, we can say that sine to power 7x plus cos to power 7x will be less than 1. But it is given that sine to power 7x plus cos to power 7x is equal to 1. That means one of them is 1 and another is 0. So we will consider two cases: when sin x is equal to 1 and cos x is equal to 0, and when sin x is equal to 0 and cos x is equal to 1. So in first case, solutions in the interval 0 to 4 pi will be pi by 2 and 5 pi by 2. In second case, solutions in the given interval will be 0, 2 pi and 4 pi. So there will be 2 plus 3, 5 solutions in total. So option C is correct. Eighth question, all the pairs x comma y that satisfy the inequality 2 to power under root sin square x minus 2 sin x plus 5 into 1 by 4 to power sin square y is less than or equal to 1 also satisfies the equation. These are the options given. This question appeared in JEE Mains 2019. The given inequality is 2 to power under root sin square x minus 2 sin x plus 5 into 1 by 4 to power sin square y is less than or equal to 1. 4 can be written as 2 to power 2. Now powers can be multiplied. When you cross multiply, you will get 2 to power under root sin square x minus 2 sin x plus 5 is less than or equal to 2 to power 2 sin square y. Now bases are same. So we can write this inequality as under root sin square x minus 2 sin x plus 5 is less than or equal to 2 sin square y. This can be written as this: under root sin x minus 1 whole square plus 4 is less than or equal to 2 sin square y. Now we will figure out minimum and maximum values of LHS and RHS. First, LHS. When sin x is equal to minus 1, LHS will have value 2 root 2. When sin x is equal to plus 1, LHS will have value 2. So LHS lies between 2 and 2 root 2. This is shown on the number line. Now RHS. When sin y is equal to 0, RHS will have value 0. And when sin y is equal to plus 1 or minus 1, RHS will have value 2. So RHS lies between 0 and 2. This is shown on the number line. Now this inequality holds true only when LHS is equal to RHS and their value is equal to 2. So we will equate LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 2. Now we will form two equations. Under root sin x minus 1 whole square plus 4 is equal to 2 and 2 sin square y is equal to 2. So first equation we will get sin x is equal to 1 and second we will get sin y is equal to plus minus 1. So from first and second equation we can say that sin x is equal to mod sin y. So option A is correct. Ninth question, let S be the sum of all solutions in radians of the equation sin to power 4 theta plus cos to power 4 theta minus sin theta cos theta is equal to 0 in interval 0 to 4 pi, then 8s upon pi is equal to. This question appeared in JEE Mains 2021. The given equation is sin to power 4 theta plus cos to power 4 theta minus sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. Sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square is equal to sin to power 4 theta plus cos to power 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin to power 4 theta plus cos to power 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. This is first equation. Now the given equation is sin to power 4 theta plus cos to power 4 theta minus sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. We can put the value of sin to power 4 theta plus cos to power 4 theta from this equation. So the equation changes to 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta minus sin theta cos theta is equal to 0, or 2 sin square theta cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this becomes a quadratic equation in sin theta cos theta. So put sin theta cos theta is equal to t. So equation changes to 2t square plus t minus 1 is equal to 0. This can be factorized as 2t minus 1 into t plus 1 is equal to 0. So either 2t minus 1 is equal to 0 or t plus 1 is equal to 0. So we will consider two cases. Case 1, when 2t minus 1 is equal to 0 or t is equal to 1 by 2. T is equal to sine theta cos theta. So sine theta cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 or 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 2 into 1 by 2. 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is equal to 1. 1 is the value of sine pi by 2. Now this is in the form sine theta is equal to sine alpha. So the general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to power n alpha. So 2 theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to power n pi by 2, or theta is equal to n pi by 2 plus minus 1 to power n pi by 4, where n is integer. Now we will put the values of n as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. When n is equal to 0, theta is pi by 4. When n is equal to 1, theta is equal to pi by 4. When n is equal to 2, theta is equal to 5 pi by 4. When n is equal to 3, theta is equal to 5 pi by 4. When n is equal to 4, theta is equal to 9 pi by 4. So the pattern is theta is equal to pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 9 pi by 4, 13 pi by 4 and 17 pi by 4. 17 pi by 4 will be out of range, will be more than 4 pi. So we will consider only 4 solutions: pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 9 pi by 4 and 13 pi by 4. Case 2, when t plus 1 is equal to 0 or t is equal to minus 1, t is equal to sine theta cos theta. So sine theta cos theta is equal to minus 1, or 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to minus 2. 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. So sine 2 theta is equal to minus 2, which is not possible because the minimum value of sine theta is equal to minus 1. So no solution in this case. Now S will be equal to summation of all these angles. So S comes out to be 7 pi. We have to calculate the value of 8S upon pi. So 8S upon pi is equal to 8 by pi into S, and S is 7 pi. So the answer is 56. So we will fill 56 here. Last question. Let f be a function from 0 to 2 interval to real number set defined by fx is equal to 3 minus sine 2 pi x into sine pi x minus pi by 4 minus sine 3 pi x plus pi by 4. If alpha beta belong to interval 0 to 2 are such that x belongs to 0, 2, fx is greater than or equal to 0 is equal to alpha, beta, then the value of beta minus alpha is. This question appeared in JEE Advanced 2020. The given function is 3 minus sine 2 pi x into sine pi x minus pi by 4 minus sine 3 pi x plus pi by 4, and this is greater than or equal to 0. We have to simplify this function first. So we will expand sine 2 theta as 2 sine theta cos theta, sine a minus b as sine a cos b minus cos a sine b, sine a plus b as sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So this reduces to 1 by root 2 times sine pi x minus cos pi x into sine 2 pi x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. Finally, the inequality reduces to sine pi x minus pi by 4 into sine 2 pi x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. That means either both are positive or both are negative. So we will consider two cases. Case 1, when both are positive. Sine pi x minus pi by 4 is greater than or equal to 0. We know that sine theta is positive in first and second quadrants. So pi x minus pi by 4 will lie between 0 and pi. This gives x is greater than or equal to 1 by 4 and x is less than or equal to 5 by 4. Sine 2 pi x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0, or sine 2 pi x is greater than or equal to minus 4. We know that sine theta is greater than or equal to minus 1. So this is true, but this will not give any solution. Second case, when both are negative. Sine pi x minus pi by 4 is less than or equal to 0. We know that sine theta is negative in third and fourth quadrants. So pi x minus pi by 4 will lie between pi and 2 pi. This gives x is greater than or equal to 5 by 4 and x is less than or equal to 9 by 4. Sine 2 pi x plus 4 is less than or equal to 0. That means sine 2 pi x is less than or equal to minus 4, which is not true, as we know that sine theta is greater than or equal to minus 1. So this will not give any solution. Finally, we need to combine these four solutions. X is less than or equal to 5 by 4 and x is greater than or equal to 5 by 4 will be true when x is equal to 5 by 4. So alpha will be 1 by 4 and beta will be 5 by 4. So beta minus alpha is equal to 5 by 4 minus 1 by 4, or beta minus alpha is equal to 1. So our answer is 1. In next video, we will start third chapter, that is quadratic equations. If you have a question, you can ask me on my Discord server. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do so.